Hi everyone, we're now looking at the next zodiac sign, and that's for you Capricorns in the month of August. Now, for the month of August, you Capricorns, it looks like you need to do a lot of hard work, a lot of focus, and a lot of disciplining this month, okay? Because there's not going to be any kind of luck favoring you, but it's only your hard work and your dedication that's going to take you a long way this month. Now, from the career and the business perspective as well, any kind of pending projects, work, anything that has been piling up needs to be sorted, cleansed, discussed, and everything sorted and really worked with a lot of focus as well. Now, you may even need to work very closely with your seniors to get work done, to get any kind of, task or anything that was pending addressed and sorted out well. At the same time, it even says from the business perspective, okay, when you're making any kind of deals, check all finer, minute details and, be very careful while making business dealings as well. It is important also that you be calm this month in your career and your business fronts. Avoid any kind of arguments, any kind of small confrontations, and especially when you're communicating with your seniors and your bosses, and especially if your seniors and your bosses are females, or if your business partners are females. Okay, so hold on with it calm and peace. Rather, if you have to discuss things, have it in a calmer way, and you'll find a lot more profit and you'll find a lot more guidance coming from the seniors and the female members around. Okay, so they will be a lot more supportive for you. Now, overall, from the money perspective as well, and from your finances perspective as well, it does look like your profits and your gains are slowing down. Okay, so you need to work more harder to get your gains and your profits coming your way, and that calls for attention as well. So later on, okay, look to do some savings. You may have some expenses, but later on, you can look to do some savings and strike the balance from the finances bit as well. Now, from the health perspective, okay, it does look like you have been doing a lot of, rash eating of recent, and it calls now for you to focus on some healthy diets and some very disciplined diets rather. And it says like you're going to have some issues related to the stomach area and the mouth region, so take care of that as well and get back into proper healthy eating habits for you from the health perspective. From the family and relationship perspective, it is important that you give your time for the family front as well. Take your time for striking that balance. Some of your family members need your time and attention, so take your time for that. Avoid any kind of arguments among the family, okay, among siblings, so be a bit more calm. Now, also importantly, while dealing with your spouse, any kind of arguments to avoid with your spouse, and especially if they are females, so take care of them. Even while dealing with the female family members around you, hold on to your communication and try and support rather and help the females in your family this month, because that's going to add a lot more calmer and some gains coming into your charts, and that's going to balance your charts as well, is how you deal with the relationships which got to do with the females around you as well. So be precautious about that. As a remedy for you this month, in the month of August as well, support female family members and little girl children. So try and do some children for some donations or some support for the little girl children. You can donate maybe some food grains, okay, you can donate clothes, you can donate sweets, whatever you resonate with and whatever you want to donate, but that will bring a lot of peace and a lot of support into your charts. I'm Sharon S. Monija. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected.